Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today's video is another storage unboxing. So let's open it up. So this product is called an extra large basket that are foldable. When I'm done assembling them, it would look like this. And there is some screw assembly here, just minimal assembly for screws. And also the page has some products that are similar, as you can see. So let's get started. So first off, as you can see there, it comes with a pen, an erasable pen, some heavy-duty labels. This is actually really nice. It's made of metal, so you can write on the metal with this pen. And there's also some screws in here. So this set comes with 4 storage, and I like this because it's foldable, so if you need to pack or move, you can just fold it up and it's gonna take less space. So let's start with the first one. This should be pretty self-explanatory. There's not much instruction here. Just open this up like so. So that's how you open it, and then stand the sides. So let me flip it over. So as you can see, there is a notch over here. I'm gonna zoom that in so you can insert the sides there. There's also some over here, and over here, so you can align that with the wire. And now we're gonna open our screw, and we're gonna screw up those corners. Screw comes in 2 pieces, so this piece goes in the inside. So I'll show you closely how to do this screw in part. So you can actually do this without a screw, but if you want Charlotte, it's too tiny, I need a bigger one. So this is to tighten it like so. I need a screw to tighten it. I'm gonna do the screw on this side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tighten it. Just hold the hard part here and tighten it with a screwdriver, and do the same on all 4 sides. You could actually use a wrench over here or a pliers to hold it down, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna tighten it as much as I can, and that would make it sturdier. Okay, so I have tightened all 4 sides. So this is how it looks like after assembled. And the last part is to attach this piece. So as you can see, it is a pretty big storage. You can put like you can put it in your pantry and like add potatoes. So for instance, I'm gonna label this. Okay, so let's shake the pen and let's see if it works. Let's try. With this kind of pen, I had this kind of pen before. You would have to make the ink reach the tip first. You have to like press the thing continually until it reaches the top. So I think the ink is in the top, so I'm gonna add potatoes here. For example, you want potatoes. There's the potatoes. It's kind of not centered, but that's their first one. And you can stack them with the second one. I'm going to assemble the second one so you can see how it looks like when it's stacked. So let's go to the next one. So same process for the next one. I'm just gonna speed this up. Now I have the screws. Just do the same thing as you did earlier. Okay, so I'm just gonna tighten it. So my daughter is helping me with the other side, so let's just tighten this. Okay, so now we're gonna put these two racks together. So you can see it has this metal handle here. It actually goes over this hole over here, the bottom piece. So just line them up, and you have a two-layer rack, and then you could stack them for four baskets high. And let's put a label over here. Okay, so that really goes nicely. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in our next video. I'm just gonna put veggies. There you go, so we got vegetables and potatoes. Okay,